Although a Brexit with no deal at the end of this month is at present looking very doubtful, the United Kingdom government announced a new statement of changes to the immigration rules to indicate modifications obligated if the United Kingdom departs from the European Union on 31st of October 2019 with no deal.
And her goal is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Before we continue, please support us by liking, sharing and commenting on our videos. So today we are going to talk about new immigration rules in case of Brexit with no deal. If you require more information, you can find the complete update in the links mentioned in the comments section below. The summary of the changes are: apply UK conduct and criminality thresholds to both the pre-exit and post-exit conduct of European Economic Area (EEA) citizens and their family members moving to the UK after Brexit, to increase security and better protect the public. Those thresholds will also apply to the post-exit conduct of European Economic Area citizens living here before Brexit and their family members, and to the pre-exit as well as post-exit conduct of EU citizens living here before Brexit and their family members, where their conduct after exit results in a sentence of imprisonment. Provide access to the European Union Settlement Scheme for certain categories of family members joining an European Economic Area citizen resident here before Brexit, with applications by such family members able to rely on residence in the UK, which began after Brexit, and to reflect the deadline by when applications by such family members will need to be made, and establish the European Temporary Leave to Remain scheme for European Economic Area citizens and their close family members moving to the UK after a no-deal Brexit, and before the start of the new points-based immigration system from January 2021, to enable them to obtain a UK immigration status, so that they can continue living and working here for a temporary period after 2020. Brandon Lewis, the Minister of State for Security and Deputy for EU Exit and No Deal Preparation, in a statement to the House of Commons, gave the following details. The United Kingdom government's importance remains to depart from the European Union on the foundation of the draft withdrawal agreement, made on the 17th of October 2019. Nevertheless, it is appropriate that we also continue to make the preparations necessary in the event that we leave with no deal. To that end, the government is laying before Parliament today the Immigration Amendment, European Union Exit Regulations 2019. Further to the written ministerial statement made by my friend, the Home Secretary on the 4th of September 2019, HCWS 1817, this will deliver changes in immigration arrangements for European Union citizens which reflect the fact that, in a no-deal scenario, free movement as it currently stands will end when we leave the European Union. In particular, to increase security and better protect the public, the measure and associated changes in the immigration rules contained in the Statement of Changes in Immigration Rules, HC 170, which my friend the Home Secretary is laying before Parliament today, will mean that a UK conduct and criminality threshold, rather than an EU threshold, will be applied for EU citizens and their family members moving to the UK after a no-deal Brexit. The measures will also apply those thresholds to the post-exit conduct of EU citizens and their family members living here before a no-deal Brexit, or who have EU settlement scheme status, and to their pre-exit conduct where their post-exit conduct results in a sentence of imprisonment. This will bring the approach to EU citizens more into line with how we treat non-EU nationals, and make our system simpler and fairer. In addition, the Immigration Amendment, EU Exit Regulations 2019 make changes to the documentary evidence, which may be relied upon by EU citizens and their family members for admission to the UK. They also remove the scope for EU citizens and their family members moving to the UK after a no-deal Brexit to acquire permanent residence under EU law, and the scope for UK nationals and their family members moving to the EU 27 after a no-deal Brexit to return here under current EU law-based arrangements. The Statement of Changes in Immigration Rules, HC 170, establishes the European Temporary Leave to Remain Scheme for European Economic Area (EEA) and Swiss citizens moving to the UK after a no-deal Brexit, and before the start of the new points-based immigration system from January 2021, and for their close family members, to enable them to obtain a UK immigration status, so that they can continue living and working here for a temporary period after 2020. In line with previous policy announcements, it also provides access to the EU settlement scheme, under which European Economic Area and Swiss citizens resident here before Brexit can obtain UK immigration status for relevant family members joining them here after a no-deal Brexit by the 29th of March 2022 in the case of existing close family members, and by the 31st of December 2020 for other relevant family members. Taken together, these changes will begin the process of taking back control of our borders and preparing the way for a new, fairer immigration system, which operates in the national interest. We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Thanks for watching.